Catalytic converter theft is rampant in Metro Vancouver. The numbers are staggering, both the number of parts stolen and what it costs ICBC to replace them. The issue has been well documented in bigger municipalities like Surrey and Vancouver, but even smaller, safer cities are facing challenges. RCMP in North Saanich, Sydney put out a warning Wednesday, and in Delta, in the 11 days of 2023 so far, 33 catalytic converters have been boosted. 3 every day. Police say in the last 5 years the crime has morphed from a handful of prolific offenders to a much more widespread problem.
So we would arrest 2 or 3 prolific offenders, and the numbers would go down 20-30% right away. And now those kind of arrests have a very little impact on the overall numbers.
In Calgary, a new strategy is taking shape. Cal tire shops are working with the police to inscribe the vehicle information number on the catalytic converter itself.
The phones are off the hook. We've blanketed the customer base, and customers are trying to get in to get the service done as quick as possible.
We've seen other engraving programs in other provinces across Canada, and they've been quite successful to reduce the amount of thefts.
Police in BC also recommend this as a prudent step, but say the law needs to be changed for there to be a formalized program. BC instead relying on reporting from scrapyards to curb resale.
We have brought in some changes that should really help in terms of the enforcement taking place.
Catalytic converter theft is a worldwide problem. A crime that takes seconds to commit is worth the possibility of hundreds of dollars in precious metal. A risk, it appears, worth the reward. Aaron MacArthur, Global News.